Hi students, the topic of today is about making hypotheses. Today we're going to see the use of third conditional. The third conditional is used to express the past consequence of an unrealistic action or situation in the past. What is the structure of third conditional? The third conditional use if plus past perfect and perfect conditional, would not, have, and past participle. The usage, imaginary situation in the past. We have here some examples about the third conditional. If I had got a gold medal, I would have been happy. If I had met Susan last week, I would have given. These are some examples of third conditional. We are going to analyze the past perfect. Past perfect is to express activities in the past. We use a subject, had, and participle. In the negative form, we use subject, had not, plus past participle. We have here some examples. I had watched that movie. I had not watched that movie. Now we're going to analyze the conditional perfect. Conditional perfect, we use would, have, and past participle. We have here some examples. You will have gotten more money. Would you have traveled around the world? I will not have stayed in my hometown. These are the parts of the third conditional. Now we're going to make an hypothesis about the Mexican conquest. We have here the evidence. The Spanish conquered Mexico. So now we're going to make an hypothesis using third conditional. We use if plus past perfect. The Spanish had not conquered Mexico, plus perfect conditional. The language would have been that of cultures of Mexico. Another example. We have the evidence. United States dropped 2 bombs to Japan. We're going to make an hypothesis. If, we have past perfect. United States had not dropped the bombs to Japan. We have perfect conditional. So many people will not have died. Now you can create your hypothesis using third conditional. Remember to use if and past perfect and perfect conditional. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.